Chapter 6, Lesson 4, Solve two-step equations. You will be able to solve two-step equations. Recall that the order of operations ensures that numerical expressions, such as 2 times 5 plus 3, have only one value. To reverse the operations, undo them in reverse order. A two-step equation, such as 2x plus 3 equals 9, has two different operations, multiplication and addition. To solve a two-step equation, undo the operations in the reverse order of the order of operations. So normally, if you were to solve an expression, you would perform multiplication and division before you would perform addition and subtraction. So to go the other way, we need to go in the reverse order. So we need to take care of and undo the addition and subtraction. And then we need to take care of and undo the multiplication or division. Okay, so let's solve the following equations. So we're still going to put our line through the equal sign. I need to take care of all the addition and subtraction first by doing the inverse operation. So I have a plus 3 attached to my variable, so I'm going to minus 3 from both sides. Those cancel. Bring down the whole 2x there, equals 9 minus 3 is 6. Now I can undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 2, and we would get x equals 3. Letter B. I need to get rid of plus 2 first, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. We get 3x equals 21. Now I can undo the multiplication by dividing by 3, and I get x equals 7. Letter C. This time I have a minus 7. To get rid of that, I need to add 7 to both sides. So the 7's cancel out on the left and leave me with negative 2y equals 10. Divide by negative 2, and we get y equals negative 5. Letter D. I will subtract 5 from both sides. 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 2. Now this one's a little tricky. I've got my 1/5 r here. My variable is right here. I don't want to move the variable. I want to move everything else. I can't move the 1/5 yet. It's attached by multiplication here. So I have to get rid of that 4. It's a positive 4 because the sign to the left of it is positive. So I need to subtract 4 from both sides. So I have 1/5 r equals negative 5. And remember here we multiply by the reciprocal. And we get r equals negative 25. It would be negative 25 over 1, which reduces to negative 25. Same situation here, only now I have a negative 2 plus 2/3 w, so it's a negative 2. We need to add 2 to both sides, and we get 2/3 w equals 12. Multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/2. And I'm going to put this 12 over 1 to help my multiplication. So w equals 36 over 2, which equals 18. Letter G, subtract 4 from both sides. 2x equals 6. Divide by 2. X equals 3. Letter H, subtract 5 from both sides. 3x equals 9. Divide by 3. X equals 3. Letter I, a little backwards. You've got x on the right-hand side. You've got the constant in front of it. It is a positive 2, so we are going to subtract 2 from both sides. 3 equals 3x. Divide by 3. 1 equals x. Toya had her birthday party at the movies. It cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie tickets. How many friends did Toya have at her party if she spent $78? This should be the word spent. So we have an unknown. So let's make our let statement. We don't know how many friends. So let x equal number of friends. So it cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend. So we would add this to $8.50 times each friend. And the total was $78. So here's our equation. Let's solve. We will subtract 27 from both sides. $8.50 x equals 51. Divide by 850. X equals 6. So how many friends? 6 friends. Letter B. Sarita wants to buy some CDs that each cost $14 and a DVD that costs $23. She has $65. Write and solve an equation to find how many CDs she can buy. So let x equal, we don't know how many CDs, so number of CDs. CDs cost $14 each, so 14 times the CDs, plus the $23 DVD player, or DVD, excuse me, equals a total of $65. We will subtract 23 from both sides. 14x equals 42. Divide by 14. X equals 3. So 3 CDs. Cristiano is saving money to buy a bike that costs $189. He has saved $99 so far. He plans on saving $10 each week. In how many weeks will he have enough money to buy the bike? So let x equal number of weeks. He has $99 and he plans to save 10 each week, and he needs $189. Subtract 99 from both sides, we get 10x equals 90. Divide by 10, we get x equals 9. So 9 weeks.